Both the NDA and the INDI, in fact, are focusing on the floor strategy for the budget session. And a meeting of the NDA floor leaders of both the houses was held last evening. Parliamentary Affairs Minister Kiran Rijiju, Minister of State for Parliamentary Affairs Arjun Meghwal and L. Murugan were also present. It was decided in this meeting that all the NDA allies will speak in one voice after the budget is presented. Now, the INDI has already taken a stand that they have no expectations from the budget. We have Akanksha on the broadcast as well. Before that, we have a reaction coming in from Ramdas Athavale.
इस बजट में डेवलपमेंट के लिए मतलब बहुत ही ज्यादा पैसा देने का ऐलान जरूर उसमें हो जाएगा। जो भी जाति धर्म के लोग हैं वो सभी लोगों को न्याय देने की भूमिका उस बजट में होगी। उसमें के किसान है, गरीब है, युवा है, महिला है, ऐसे तमाम लोगों को मतलब न्याय देने की भूमिका तो सरकार की रहेगी। और बजट बहुत ही सराहनीय होगा, बजट बहुत ही अच्छा बजट होगा। और 2024-25 का जो बजट है, ये बजट देश को आर्थिक न्याय, सामाजिक न्याय देने वाला बजट होगा।
Akanksha continues to be with us. Akanksha, the strategy of the NDA is that everyone, the BJP and its allies, will speak in one voice after the budget is presented.
Well, absolutely. As far as NDA is concerned, they have been asked, all the allies have been asked to speak in one voice. On the other hand, we are seeing reactions that are coming from the opposition party. Yesterday, Jairam Ramesh, in fact, tweeted that we hope that tomorrow's budget faces up to the country's reality. On the other hand, the Congress MP, Karti Chidambaram, also said that he has absolutely no expectation from the budget, as the government has been very anti-small business and they have not made any efforts to reform the GST. So before the presentation of budget, these are the reactions that are coming from the opposition parties, but definitely this is going to be a very big day. I'm currently standing outside the residence of Pankaj Chaudhary, who's the MOS Finance Ministry, and by 8:30 he's also expected to leave along with Nirmala Sitharaman. They are going to go to North Block. After that, there will be a photograph there with the team of the team that made the budget, and after that they'll be heading towards the Rashtrapati Bhavan and then to the Parliament at 10:15. There's going to be a very important cabinet meeting. See, this is a norm. Half an hour before the presentation of the budget, this cabinet meeting is led by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, where the ministers are apprised about the budget and that is then approved. And at 11 o'clock is when we'll see Nirmala Sitharaman present the budget, and all eyes will be on the major announcements. On one hand, opposition parties are saying that they have absolutely no expectations from the government, as they have done nothing for the common man in the last few years. But middle class, farmers as well as women and all the other Indians will be eyeing that speech by Nirmala Sitharaman at 11 o'clock today in just another 4 hours.